Hi, my name is Jess and I am a thriftaholic. I'm a part-time reseller on multiple platforms. I'd like to share my journey with you guys and give tips and tricks, things that work for me, my experience, my failures, and hope to share some of my knowledge. I've been reselling for 4 years. I've been a thrifter my whole life. I worked at Goodwill for 7 years on and off in a couple of different states. And today I'm going to bring you my office is my kitchen. I store my items in my basement. I have 3 little kids, so I have to make it work. I stared at this mess on my counter all weekend. I did some house projects and I never got to this. That is one negative thing to not having an office. Life of a reseller. So join me as I tackle this pile and get it listed because they're just money sitting right there. Come join. Part of my pile are items that ThredUp sent back to me that did not sell, and the payouts just weren't what I would like them to be. So here is what I do. I bag up my item because I already have it listed under the not for sale category on Poshmark, so I will just copy the listing and renew it. And I just simply put it in a bag. I learned this from other resellers. These are very budget friendly. I think they're $3.12 if I can get it in the frame for you. Walmart, they're 1 gallon. And then I just use, I think this is Duck brand. I buy them in packs of 8. Highly recommend investing in these tape guns. I think I got mine at Walmart for $12. I have a couple. I have one for clear tape, one for my eBay tape, as I initially started selling on eBay. So yes, I put my item in the bag. I have my labeling system. I have the alphabet, and I'm starting to, I think I'm down to AS. So I have 26 plus, so I have probably 30 some totes with my storage system. I don't know if you can see, probably not. And I'm showing you the wrong item. Okay, so, here I have it bagged up. Like I said, I already have it photographed and measured from previously. I am starting, before I was not writing what was in the bag, but I want to make sure I don't make any mistakes, so I'm coding it. I put it in the SKU for eBay, and then I cross-list through list perfectly. Alright, my phone died. That's another thing, is being a reseller. Your phone loses its battery all the time because you're always on it. Okay, so I have my inventory system. I write down the item, and then I also weigh it on a scale that I got for like $15 on Amazon. I think I've only had to replace the batteries once out of the 4 years. It goes up to 50 pounds. So I put the weight here, and I simply just take a picture of it so when I go to list my item, I simply right here, and I catalog it online, and then I wait till I get like a bag full of items that are already processed, and I put them in my inventory totes. Alright, well, my phone died, so I had to take a break. Got some dinner going. It's actually been cooking since last night because I think it's like a cow leg, I don't know. But anyways, it was frozen, so it's been cooking since last night. Went to charge my phone. Look at that. So I just went and ordered a longer cord because, as you can see, this one's probably like 4 feet and it's just not very efficient. So, alright. This is how far I've gotten. Looks like I haven't even touched it, right? I got some stuff bagged up. My little 1-year-old girl's been really fussy, so it's been a little challenging. Also, I was on the phone with someone for a little bit, but this is it. My husband should be home in about 15 to 20 minutes. We'll have dinner, and I probably won't work again until I get the kids to bed, and my goal is to have all of this photographed and put away. Also forgot to show you that I conditioned these Sperry boots. They are absolutely adorable. I can't remember where I got them. I think I got them for $1 somewhere. They did have mud on the soles, and I just simply used a magic eraser, and the bottom had mud stuck in the little cracks. I'll show you what I used. This is like my stash area where I keep all my reselling supplies. So yeah, this works great, and it comes with the topper. So yep, got those looking like great condition. What size are those? Women's 7. So here's the leather cleaner right here. This is also my junk drawer. Random crap. Don't want to show you my credit card, but I've got like a sweater shaver, some medicine droppers for the kids. I keep my thread up notebooks in here. This is my spot treat cleaner that is my go-to. It's at Walmart for probably $4. A little goes a long way. I have some ribbon. When I have higher end packages, I will wrap them for Posh. Or if a dress that I get at the bins or the thrift is missing like the sash tie, you know, when it has the loops, but you get it home and you realize it has ties. I got this at Dollar Tree for $1, and it makes 1, maybe 2 belts depending on the size of the dress. So I have my business cards. I have them for Poshmark and eBay. Don't know that they make a difference. I don't think I've ever had any feedback regarding that. Also, wash my hands a lot. Get very dry hands. This is amazing. Highly recommend. What other goodies do I have in here? A sash. I've been saving this. It totally gives me Gucci vibes. Yeah, can you tell I need to organize? Like, my cards are going haywire. And this is an amazing scent from Bath & Body Works. Yeah, I'm very unorganized. This is my life. So here's a scale that I've been talking about. Accutech goes up to 50 pounds. You can change it to grams or just ounces over here. So if you like want to measure your food, if you're trying to watch how much you eat. Yes, I know it's absolutely dirty. It's called, I use it all the time. Shh, Chippy. All right. So you just have to make sure it's at 0 and you just stick it on, and it's at 2.4 ounces. But you have to consider the packaging. So I will put this in a poly mailer. So I will round this up to 3 ounces, and I just simply, you know, write the weight on there as well. Hey, I was just checking in. It's about 11:15 at night, and I did work on my counter for about an hour after dinner, and then I put my baby to bed about 8 o'clock, and today was a holiday, so we had a 3-day weekend, which means I have a lot to ship out tomorrow. So I went ahead and I gathered my orders and printed out my labels. So for tomorrow, I just have to put them in their packaging and send them on their way. But I didn't get my counter cleared. However, while I was watching YouTube, I listed about 5 items that I did photograph earlier. So I need to go to bed. I've been staying up lately, and I've noticed during the day my energy level's low. So tomorrow, I'll get that counter cleared. Morning, it's the next day, and as you can see, I'm sitting here on the couch. I just got my shipping done for the day.
We have a family on the couch. What's up, gamers? Play the game?
He's playing a video game right now with his brother.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's what we have going on. I just got my shipping out. I just placed an order on Instacart to get some groceries delivered. If you don't use Instacart, you should really look into it. It's like a $4 delivery fee. And we live 20 minutes away from a grocery store, so that's like just gas. Plus your time is money, right? So, okay, I'm going to go to the kitchen and see if I can get this counter cleared off once and for all. I keep adding to my pile, which doesn't really help, but let's go work. I still have my shipping stuff out, but all I did really last night was I took a couple bags of stuff that I did down, put it in inventory. I sorted. These are my flat lays. I can't really do flat lays when my baby is awake because she thinks it's a game and she'll just make a mess. These are also flat lays. I think I already have these photographed, but old inventory. I don't know if it's currently listed. And then I added my pile some mini Melissas that I got over the weekend. So yeah. Alright, so this is day 2, like I stated earlier, and it's almost 9 o'clock at night. Now, as you can see here, there is still stuff on the counter, but to my defense, I did have it cleared off. I got everything photographed and put away in my inventory. This is called Kids Dinner and my husband putting his stuff on the counter from when he got off at work. So I'm not going to stop until it's clean. That way I have peace of mind. So I will come back on when it's cleaned up. It's 9:30 and as you can see, my counter is clean after a day and a half. I want to show you this thick stack of ThredUp cleanout bags. I'm not going to source anymore for ThredUp until I know their new pricing strategy. I've got a couple more boxes to send in, but I'm just going to keep these until I know for sure what they're going to do because I believe they're going to change in just a few short months. What else? Oh yeah, I got this in today. I want to show you guys because I think they are super cute. Nicole State, I'm like a OG follower from 4 or 5 years ago. She has taught me so much. Nicole State, look her up. She's got a very popular YouTube channel and she is also on Instagram. I got these stickers. Love them. They say thrifter if you don't know. And I plan on, I'm going to try to take some fabric glue and glue this on like a vintage denim jacket that I have. What else do I have to show you? Oh, do you guys love getting these? Do you remember getting, if you're an 80s or 90s kid, getting the Bergner's or JCPenney's Christmas catalog and it would be like this thick and you go through and you circle all the toys that you wanted for Christmas? Well, this is Amazon's version, so I'll have my kids go through it and they'll probably circle everything. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, it was just showing you one of my goals that I set out for myself yesterday. Didn't get it done yesterday, but I'm trying to hold myself accountable and putting it on YouTube is one way. Have a Thrift Delicious day.